Hey guys, Big Willie here from Big Willys Fab Shop. Today's episode is we're gonna go through a new product line of ours, and this today is gas valves. So let's get to it. All right, so starting off, this is a gas valve indicator. So you put it on your gas valve and sits on right on the lobes, and then as soon as you turn it to turn the gas on, it changes color. So this multicolor identifies that the gas is on, and then when you go to turn it off, it is a single color. So from a distance you can see that the gas valve is off. So that's pretty much it. Unlike everyone else on the market, this does all lobes, all lobe counts. It does 5, 6, and 8 lobes, and then it also does fit the valves that have the bolt sticking above the lobe. So what I mean by that is, going over here, this bolt right here, some of them stick above it, and this will fit on there. So really it's pretty simple. You just slap it on, and then when you go turn the gas on, boom. And then from a distance you can see that your gas is on just by seeing the multicolor. And then when you go turn it off, it is a single color, and again from a distance. So if you're going to go close up for the day, and then you can just do a quick pan, and you can double check that your gas is off. Because if you leave it on overnight and you're like most people and you never actually check see if there's a leak or not, and it turns out there is a leak, your gas cylinder is totally drained, and that can be pretty expensive if you have the larger tanks or specialty gas. So yeah, that's the new product. Go check that out at Big Willys Fab Shop, or on Etsy, or on eBay, potentially on Amazon by now. We'll see. Still working on the details on that, but otherwise that is that. And if you are a gas company and you want a custom logo on here, hit me up. We can work something out. So otherwise, that is that. It is a nice smooth operation. Also, it's a ball bearing design in here, so it's not plastic on plastic. And then it is self-tightening too, or you can tighten it, I should say, via screw down there. So if it ever starts getting a little loose and you want more tension on it, just simply turn that screw in and it gets tighter. So with that, that's all I got here. You may be wondering what all these guys are here for. These are just prototypes that we made over the course of a long while, just to make sure everything fits how we want it, and durability testing, etc. So yeah, with that, that's all I got for today, our new lineup. So if you have anything else, let us know. But with that, Big Willie out.